Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account with ATC Brokers. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's get started. ATC Brokers is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, and CFDs. Their accounts feature individual, joint, or corporate trading accounts. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader Pro, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on the Help panel at the top of the homepage. This will then display some useful help topics and a support form, which you can fill out to get in contact with a support representative. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account with ATC Brokers. Firstly, head over to their website at atcbrokers.com. On their home screen here, on the left side of the page, you will see Open an Account and Start a Demo Trial. Click on Start Demo Trial. Next, fill out and submit your personal information such as your preferred platform, currency, your name, contact number, and country of residence. After you have submitted your information, you will see Thank you. What you'll want to do next is head over to your email address and look for the email that ATC Brokers has sent you. The email will contain a link to download their platform and your account credentials. Download and install MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader Pro from that link. After you have installed the MetaTrader platform, you will need to select the ATC demo server and then log in to an existing trade account. Next, log in with the credentials that were displayed in the email prior. And we're in. This is an ATC demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either line, candlesticks, or bar charts. You can zoom in and out of the selected chart window with the magnifying glass buttons on the right side of the chart types buttons. To open a selected chart window into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected chart window. At the top left of the chart window here, we can see our quick buy and sell or one-click trading option. This is where we can make quick buy and sell orders on the selected trading instrument directly from the chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch. This displays all the currency pairs that ATC Brokers provides. If you wish to open an individual buy and sell order execution on your preferred pair, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on New Order. This will then open a separate buy and sell order window, which displays some additional information and its own line chart. If you would like to add one of your preferred currency pairs into its own chart window, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on Chart Window. This will then add the pair into its own chart window in the center of the dashboard here. To add a one-click trading or quick buy and sell order window to your new chart, simply right-click anywhere on the chart and click on One-Click Trading. And at the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see all the currency pairs which we have added into their own chart windows. You can easily switch between these pairs from right here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help panel at the top left of the dashboard here. This displays some video guides and a Help Center, which delves into various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started. ATC Brokers also feature their very own Learning Center, which covers the basics to Forex trading, as well as a variety of educational topics for you to browse through as you please. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to start small when you first begin your career in trading. It is extremely important to fully understand all the basics to Forex trading when you're first starting off. And as such, there are a variety of factors that can make a huge impact on your trading activities. Practice makes perfect. However, practicing with virtual money on a demo account and trading with real foreign currency is not the same. One key point here is to consider when entering the markets for the first time to start small and know all the implications that can affect trading in the real market. Consider minimizing your currency pairs to what you as an individual are comfortable with, as well as trading with pairs that you are used to and understand fully. This can help gain more experience for you to develop more advanced strategies in the future. Starting small and gaining the experience required to trade with confidence while not allowing emotions to cloud your judgment can be one step to becoming a more successful individual trader. And that's how to open a demo account with ATC Brokers. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. And as always, good luck.